Hey YouTube, it's India, and I will be singing a song called Losing My Mind by my cousin Shay Davis. Love you, and hope you like it. I'm just gonna have it on here. But anyways, here I go. Oh, 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 oh. Souls can be lonely. I'm losing mine. This is beyond me. Biding my time, deep in my passion. Everything rhymes, and I'm losing my mind. Yes, I'm losing my mind. Far in the distance, he calls my name. But in my own hearing, all sounds the same. My heart is broken, and you to blame. Now I'm losing my mind. Yes, I'm losing my mind. And that was it. So, hope you liked it. Bye.